Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking garlic soy prawns. So let's start cooking. Now we'll heat up the oil to fry our prawns. I'm using La Gourmet Shogun Midori Series 32 cm non-stick stir-fry wok. This is using a titanium non-stick surface, so it makes your cooking so much easier. Comes with a very pretty wood-like handle, but this is not wood. This is known as Bakelite material, so it's give you a very good insulation against heat. I'm using medium-high heat right now. We need to check whether our oil is hot or not. For frying seafood, the oil has to be very hot. How to check whether the oil is hot enough or not? Using a pair of bamboo chopstick or skewer, put it inside the oil. And if you see that the bubbles are rising up rapidly like this, that means the oil is hot enough. I'm using 600 grams of prawns over here. I've snipped off the eyes because this will cause splattering. And if you want, you can actually snip off the base over here also. This will also cause splattering, but I prefer to leave it on and it looks much better this way. So be very careful when you lower the prawns inside the oil. Just slide it down. Spread them out. You just need to fry them for a little while, just to make sure that they are cooked. I'm deep frying them because it will cook much evenly and the prawns will be much crunchier to taste. And of course, we want the shell to look very nice also. If you want to pan fry this, you can too. But basically, you need to cook the prawns first before you put the dish together because we'll be frying garlic also. If you're to fry garlic and this together, by the time the prawns are cooked, your garlic will be burnt. Now we'll remove the prawns. Do not turn off the fire when you are removing the prawns. Make sure you remove all the prawns before you turn off the flame. This will prevent the oil from staying inside the prawns. Look at how beautiful the prawns are. Remove them and set them aside. Remove most of the oil, leaving about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil behind. Now we'll put the dish together. Using medium heat, we'll add in 1 whole bulb of garlic chopped. Put it in. Now we'll put in our spring onions. 6 pieces of spring onions, putting in the white stem first. Stir fry them until you can smell them pretty fast. Don't burn the garlic, remember. Once this is done, or when you can smell the beautiful fragrance from the garlic, we'll add in our prawns. Put them all in. Move them around. Mix them up well. Now we'll add in 80 milliliters of kecap manis. This is the sweet black sauce that's originated from Indonesia. Give them a good mix. This dish is very easy and extremely delicious. Once you mix them up well, we'll add in 2 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine, or otherwise known as Shaoxingjiu. Just splash it around the corner. Add in the rest of our spring onions. Give it a good mix. Alright, the dish is done. Off the flame, and it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Simply love this dish. Pardon me, I got to use my hand. The prawns, amazing, very crunchy. The sauce with the garlic, oh my god, this is really, really, really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to cook. See you and bye bye.